Today, I'm going to create this coffee poster design in Canva. First, go to canva.com. Select the size 7 to 36 pixels into 920 pixels. Select the background color dark red. Go to Elements and search for the orange glow. Add this multiple times. Select all the glow and lock. Now search for golden glowing dust. Add this. Adjust the size and position. Change the position to backward. Now upload the product image. Subscribe to my channel and check the description for the image link. Import the image. Go to Edit and change the brightness to 15 and contrast to 10. Then go to Shadow. Select the drop shadow. Change the color to orange. Blur amount 20. Angle 15. Distance 30. Intensity 90. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate the image. Flip to vertical. Change the transparency to 10. Lock. Now upload the leaf. Adjust the size and position. Go to Edit and apply the Flint filter. Go to Elements and search for the shadow. Add this. Search for coffee cup. Select this. Adjust the size and position. Go to Edit and select the Sangri filter. Add a drop shadow to the coffee cup. Upload the logo. Go Edit and set brightness to 100, contrast 100 highlight, 100 shadows, 100 white, 100 black minus 100, and saturation minus 100. Now add a text. Select the Montserrat font. Write all the essential details. Now adjust all the elements' size and positions if needed. Add a shadow to the product image. Coffee cup. Drop shadow missing. Press the Control key and select the coffee shadow. Congratulations, your design is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.